Each card bears one letter from the word mathematics. The cards are placed on a table upside down. Find the probability that a card drawn bears the letter M. Now student, its solution is simple question here. Here I have to directly take the sample space S from the letter mathematics, means that here M, A, T, H, E, M, A, T, I, C and S. Therefore, number of S is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 words in the mathematics, 11 letters here. Now student, let A be the event that the card drawn bears the letter M. Drawn bears the letter M. Therefore, A is equals to, in this all these letters, M comes 2 times. So M, comma M. Mean that N of A is equals to 2. Therefore, P of A is equals to N of A upon N of S. N of A is 2. Upon how much? 11. Therefore, answer in full sentence. Therefore, the probability that a card drawn bears the letter M is 2 upon how much? 11. Okay, we take the next question. Look at question number 14. Out of 200 students from a school, 135 like kabaddi and the remaining students do not like the game. Means that do not like the kabaddi. If one student is selected at random from all the students, find the probability that the student selected does not like kabaddi. Its solution is, here there are 200 students. There are 200 students in the school. Therefore, number of years is equals to how much? 200. Out of this, 135 like. Now, 135 students like kabaddi. Therefore, the remaining student we have to find here. Therefore, 200 minus 135 is equals to, it becomes 65. Students do not like kabaddi. Now student, let this student be A. So let A be the event that the students selected does not like kabaddi. Therefore, N of A is equals to how much? 65. Therefore, probability of A is equals to N of A upon N of S. Therefore, probability of A is equals to 65 upon how much? 200. 200. Simplify by using 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 0. We cannot again simplify, so that P of A is equals to 13 upon 40. So that answer in full sentence, answer, the probability that the student selected does not like Kabaddi is 13 upon 40. Okay, we take the next question. Question number 15. A two-digit number is to be formed from the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repetition of digit is allowed. Look carefully. Repetition is allowed here. Find the probability that the number so formed is a prime number, a multiple of 4, and a multiple of 11. Student, all of you know that if two digit is formed by using this number, then 0 cannot be in 10 place. So the two digit numbers are. Its solution. The sample space is yes is equals to. Now two digit numbers start from 10. Then repetition is allowed, so 11, then 12, 13, 14, then 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, then 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, then 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Means that total number of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, then first one is a prime number. So for this first I will write here, let A be the event, let A be the event that the number for is a prime number. Is a prime number. Prime number. All of you know that the prime number here. Which are the prime number? Here is, I will take here A set of the numbers here. The prime numbers are, first one is 11, then 13, then here is 23, then 31. Prime numbers mean that we cannot divide any another number, only divided by itself and 1. 31, then here is 41 and 43. When we count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, mean that number of A is equals to how much? 6. Therefore probability of A is equals to number of A upon number of years, mean that 6 upon how much? Number of years is 20. We can simplify by 2 3s are 6 and 2 10s are 20. Then second one is, let B be the event that the number is formed is a multiple of 4. Therefore B here multiple of 4 means that 4 3s are 12. count it, it also n of b is equals to 4. Therefore, p of b is equals to n of b upon n of s. Mean that 4 upon how much? 20. Mean that 1 upon 5. Then third one is, let C be the event that the number form is a multiple of 11. Mean that C is equals to, it is 11, 22, 33 and 44. Mean that number of C is equals to 4. Therefore, probability of C is equals to number of C upon number of S. Means that 4 upon how much? 20. Means again 1 upon 5. Therefore, the answer in full sentence, answer. Therefore, probability of A event is equals to 3 upon 10. Then probability of B event is 1 upon 5 and probability of C event is 1 upon 5. Okay, we take the next question. Number 16. The faces of the die bears a number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the die is rolled twice, then find the probability that the product of the digit on the upper face is 0. Means that product of upper face is 0 here. Now student, the die having number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. So in its solution, the sample spaces. So important example, look carefully. The sample spaces here is number 0, 1, 2, 4. Then find the probability that the product of the digits on the upper face here. Mean that first one is, here is 0, 0. Then here is 2 dice are rolled here. Look carefully, 2 dice, so that 2 pairs here. Then 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. Then next one is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Then next 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Then next one is 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5. Then 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. Next one is 5, 0, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4 and 5, 5. Because up to only these 5 numbers here, curly bracket is closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 comes how many times? 6 times. So that therefore n of s is equals to how much? 36. Look carefully. This is the sample space. When 2 dice are rolled here, the sample space for 2 die here 36 here. Now then find the probability that the event that the product of the digit on the upper face is 0. So take here, let A be the event that the probability of the product that the product of the digits is 0. Mean that A is upper face. The product of the upper face is 0. Mean that here when we multiply by 0, then the product is 0. So first one is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4 and 0, 5. Then look carefully, 1 into 0 is also 0. Mean that 1, 0, then 2, 0, then 3, 0, then 4, 0, then 5, 0. Now student, there is no other number. When we multiply it, then it becomes 0. So that this is number of A. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Means that n of A is equals to 11. We have to find out P of A. Means that n of A upon n of S. Therefore P of A is equals to 11 upon 36. We cannot divide it. So that this is our answer. So write the answer in full sentence. Therefore, the probability that the product of the digits on the upper face is 0 is 11 upon how much? 36. Okay, we take the next question. Okay student, then last question, question number 17. Look at in your book page number 128. Now this question 17 is do the following activity. Mean that activity based question. Now this first activity is that total number of students in your class. Here is n of S. You have to write the number of students in your class now. Then number of students from your class wearing a spectacles, etc. Now when we look this question is for yourself. Means that themselves you have to solve it. The activity second is also same type of this activity. Decide the sample space yourself and fill in the following boxes yourself. Means that you have to solve it yourself here, sample space and whatever the questions are asked, you have to solve at home. Thank you very much for watching the